So here we are in 416 at 14350 Hoover Avenue. This is a 3-bedroom co-op. As you can see, when you it opens into an expansive foyer and living room. Let's take a look at the living room. You have a really large living room. Ceilings are about 9 feet. This room is a total of 32 feet deep from the door to the window. There you see the kitchen, which we'll look at in a second. You can see the ceiling shows no signs of water damage anywhere. The apartment is fully carpeted. The co-op does require at least 80% carpeting. Coming out of the living room into the hallway, you have the master bed to your left, a hall bathroom, full bathroom, bedroom, and another bedroom that they have set up as an entertaining room or a den. Let's take a look at the kitchen. This is an older kitchen in very good condition, but it is a great blank slate for a new owner to make it theirs. Once again, you can see ceilings in good condition, no signs of water damage. It is equipped with a dishwasher, gas stove, full size. Let's take a look at the dining room. So here we have a formal dining room with windows on 2 sides. This window faces to the north, out to the street. You have the terrace here. Beautiful Tiffany style lamp. This is not included in the sale. Important to know that the sellers are taking this lamp with them. And then you have an additional window to the west, which allows great evening light. Perfect for intimate dinner parties. So let's take a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, it's quite large. Plenty of room for a large armoire, a dresser, a king-size bed, a side table. This is a queen-size bed. Again, very good condition walls. That door is to the terrace and the 2 windows face to the north. Show you the view out the window. You can see it's a beautiful street. And your master bedroom has its own private terrace. The master bedroom has its own ensuite bath. Has not been renovated but is in excellent condition. And the master bath has a stand-up shower. His and her closets and plenty of room for an armoire. 2 of the 9 closets that are in this amazing apartment. As you enter the shared bathroom, you have a linen closet here. Bathroom features full-size tub, This has been updated. Ceiling in good condition. And you can see that the bath is in excellent condition, very clean, no mold. All the grout and caulking around the tub is in good condition. All right, let's take a look at one of the bedrooms. Could be a nursery, could be an office, could be anything you want it to be. These two windows face to the north, just the way the ones in the master bedroom did. And here's the opposite view, facing to the hallway. This room could easily fit a queen or king size bed and have plenty of room left over. Ceilings again are about 9 feet and they are in good condition. No blemishes. The hallway from the third bedroom facing towards the master bedroom. To the left here you have 2 closets, large closets that take up about half the hallway. 9 closets total in this apartment. And finally the third bedroom. I'm going to give you a 360 view here. This is a great room. Good light, great size. Once again, this room is easily big enough to fit a queen or a king size bed. So you potentially have 3 bedrooms that could each have king size beds in them, or for a large family you could fit 2 singles or twins in each one. This is my favorite room in the house. Really, really cool. And the current owners have done a really nice job with it, but of course, as a new buyer, you can do whatever you like with it. And once again, these windows face to the north. (14350) Hoover Avenue in Briarwood is a non-doorman elevator co-op building. Features a shared laundry room in the basement, maintained very well. You have an outdoor sort of recreational area with seating. Perfect place to sit and read a book when it's nice out. There is a parking garage with parking. There is a wait list for parking. And as you can see, the grounds are very well maintained for the building. It's surrounded on all 4 sides by greenery. The building is very centrally located in Briarwood, very near Grand Central Parkway and Main. Convenient to the highway, subway, bus lines. There's a shopping center just a few short blocks away, and it's very nearby recreation areas such as Flushing Corona Park, which is less than a mile away. So if you want to enjoy some outdoor activities, the building is very, very conveniently located for that as well.